Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from group 4. So our group will present about business Roti Kaya Junus. So this is an example of business Roti Kaya Junus. We have four group members. First is Muhammad Asif, second is me Muhammad Amar bin Malik, third is Guru Murti, and lastly is Ahmad Rizwan Hakim.
Executive Summary. Roti Kaya Junus is a bread company that wants to improve its production process by reducing waste using lean tools. The company faces problems like defect in bread, overproduction, and waiting times between production steps. Defect lower the quality of the bread, which can lead to unhappy customer. Overproduction result in making too much bread, causing waste and extra costs. Waiting time slow down the process, affecting the overall efficiency of production. By improving these areas such as fixing defect, making the right amounts of bread, and reducing waiting times, the company can improve its production. For the company profile, Roti Kaya Junus is a traditional bread bakery that specializes in freshly baked bread with a unique twist. Established in 1975, the company prides itself on producing bread using traditional methods. Not only is the bread baked on the old-fashioned way, but the kaya, a sweet spread used to complement the bread, is also prepared traditionally. Steamed over a wood stove for the authentic taste. The company has built a strong reputation for delivering high-quality bread that brings a sense of nostalgia to its customer. Next, I will move to the defect. First one, the issue is overly hard or tough bread. The causes is over-kneading or insufficient rising. The solution, knead the dough just enough and allow adequate resting time for proper rise. Second, uneven baking. Inconsistent oven temperature or incorrect placement in the oven. The solution, preheat oven properly. Place bread evenly in the oven and rotate the bread during baking. Third, inconsistent texture or crumb. The causes is too much or too little moisture in the dough. Solution, measure ingredient carefully and mix dough properly. Lastly, burnt crust, over baking or high oven temperature. The solution, monitor baking time, reducing temperature or cover the bread with foil if needed. Next, I will move to overproduction. The first problem is poor demand forecasting, not accurately tracking customer demand or sales strength. The solution is gather accurate sales data and adjust production based on customer need. Second, poor production planning. Large batches made to save time or reduce cost. Solution, make smaller batches based on real-time demand. Third, lack of coordination between teams. Production team not aligned with the distribution team on demand. The solution, improve communication about customer order and delivery schedules. The last one is unsold bread. Cause bread not sold the same day and eventually spoil. The solution, offer discount at the end of the day or donate excess bread to charity.
Next, we move to waiting times. There are five problems. First is ingredient delays. This is because flour, kaya, and yeast arrive late, causing the production to stop age. So the solution, we need to improve supplier coordination and schedule ingredient deliveries effectively. Second is machine downtimes. This is because oven and mixer remain unused due to maintenance or slow material movement. So we need to regular preventive maintenance and better scheduling for most aspirations. Third is employee downtimes. The problem is workers wait for material and unclear instructions and reading efficiency. So the solution, we need to optimize task assignments and improve workforce training. The fourth is production bottlenecks. The problem is delays in proofing, batching, and packaging disrupt workflow. So we need to improve transition management and streamline production steps. And lastly is overproductions. This is because excess bread sits before packaging, increasing storage costs and spoilage risk. So we need to implement just-in-time JIT production to match demand. Next, we move to not utilized talents. There are four problems. First is underutilization of worker talents. This is because employee skills are not fully utilized due to mismanagement, lack of training, or incorrect job assignments, and so this leads to inefficiency, low morale, and wasted potential. Next is mismatched job assignments. The problem is skill bakers in packaging, potential leaders in repetitive roles. So the solution is we need to align job roles with employee strengths for higher engagement and productivity. Third is lack of training and development. This is because employees do not have opportunities to improve baking, machine operation, or leadership skills. So we need to invest in structured training program to build a skilled workforce. And lastly is no employee involvement in decisions. This is because workers have valuable insight but are not given a voice in process improvement. So we need to encourage open communication and involve employee in problem solving. Next, we move to transportations. There are three problems. First is slow deliveries. This is because traffic congestion, poor route planning, and vehicle breakdown delay shipments. So we need to improve delivery schedules and use road planning system to reduce delays. Second is loading and unloading bottlenecks. The problem is poor vehicle packing leads to wasted space and longer stop at distribution points. So the solution is implement a standardized loading system and train employees in efficient handling. And lastly is high transportation costs. This is because rising fuel price, vehicle maintenance, and labor expense increased costs. So the solution is we need to use full efficient vehicles, schedule regular maintenance, and train drivers in eco-friendly driving. Next, we move to inventory. Why effective transportation inventory management matters? This is because fresh bread must be delivered efficiently to prevent delays, reduce waste, and lower operational costs. There are three problems happen. First is inventory management. The problem is lack of real-time tracking leads to overproduction or shortage. So we need to implement a digital inventory system with real-time updates to manage stock accurately. Next is poor coordination between production and delivery. The problem is misalignment cause last-minute rush, delays, and reduced freshness. So we need to improve communication and scheduling between departments to streamline workflow. And lastly is storage and handling inefficiency. This is because improper storage before transportation lead to product damage and waste. So the solution is use better storage solution and handling procedure to maintain bread quality. Next, we move to motion. There are three problems happen. First is excessive handling during loading and unloading. This is because unorganized loading waste times as workers search for breaks. So the solution we need to implement a structured loading system and train employee for efficient handling. Second is inefficient route plannings. The problem is delivery vehicles take longer or congested routes, increasing fuel costs and delays. So we need to use GPS tracking and road optimization software for faster, food efficient deliveries. And lastly is poor coordination between production and delivery. The problem is delivery team waits for a product that are not ready and they are wasting times. So we need to improve communication and scheduling to ensure bread is ready for transport when need.
For extra processing, first one is slow baking process. Traditional charcoal baking takes too long and require extra effort. Using a mix of traditional and modern baking method can save time. Second one is manual inventory check. Staff track ingredient by hand, leading to mistake. An automated inventory system can help keep stock level accurate. Third one is unbalanced workload. Some staff are overloaded during peak hour while others have little to do. Better shift planning and hiring part-time worker can fix. The fourth one is slow ordering and payment. Long line form because order and payment are accepted manually. Self-order kiosk and digital payment can speed up the process. The last one is difficult cleaning process. Staff clean up after long shift, which is tiring. Cleaning schedule extra cleaning staff and automate equipment can make it easier. For the Miura, first one is uneven baking demand. Some products are in high demand while others are slowly moving. Better production planning can balance output. The second one is unbalanced workload. Some employees are overloaded while others are underutilized. The solution is cross-training staff and adjusting schedule can distribute work more evenly. The third one is irregular customer flow. Peak hours are extremely busy, while off-peak hours are too slow. The possible solution is promotion or discount during slow period can spread out demand. The fourth one is inventory fluctuation. Some ingredients run out quickly while others pile up. The possible solution is a just-in-time inventory system can help maintain a steady supply. The last one is inconsistent cleaning schedule. Cleaning tasks are often left until the end of shift, overloading staff. The possible solution is a rotational cleaning schedule can spread the work more evenly. For the Muri, overburden issue at Roti Kaya Junus. Overwork bakers. Bakers work long hours and do a lot of physical labor. Using semi-automated baking equipment can reduce their workload. Next is heavy workload during peak hour. Staff struggle during busy time, leading to stress and mistakes. Hiring part-time staff and adjusting shift can balance the workload. Next one is slow order processing. Cashier handle too many tasks at once, causing delays. Self-order kiosks and online pre-ordering can make transactions faster and easier. Next one is manual stock management. Employees manually check inventory, which takes time and effort. An automated inventory system can reduce their workload. And the last one is tiring cleaning tasks. Staff must clean after long shift, adding to fatigue. A cleaning schedule, extra cleaning staff, and automated cleaning tools can help.
So I will explain about the future agenda and continuous improvement for the Roti Kaya Junus. Uh, they implement the lean manufacturing technique to analyze and eliminate waste in the production of Roti Kaya Junus. And they also implement the 5S methodology, which stand for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. And they also initiate a zero waste initiative to minimize the food waste by reuse and recycle the ingredient such as flours, bread, and more. Moreover, they invest in automated production line for mixing baking for improve their efficiency and reduce the human error. In conclusion, Roti Kaya Junus, a traditional bakery, is facing an operational challenge that hinder its growth. Implementing a leaner manufacturing principle can help improve efficiency and reduce waste. Defects such as uneven baking and burn crust can mitigated by standardizing process and overproduction can reduce through better planning and smaller batch production. By implementing lean strategies, Roti Kaya Junus can improve efficiency and quality and customer satisfaction.